Hello, Paul from Click and Turn here. I've got a hydrangea which I captured in resin with a little bit of pinkiness about it. I'm gonna turn it round and then put it on a little plate with the light underneath it. It's just a quick project. There's a bit of air in there. I didn't put it in the pressure pot because I was using it for something else at the time. Maybe I should have waited. But some of the effects are quite good. Yeah. What we all love about resin is that it produces strings upon strings of waste. Peekaboo! Gonna make ourselves a little mortise here. Don't want a tenon. That was good, wasn't it? The idea is that I'm going to make the top domed. So basically what I'm going to do here is excuse me, create myself a tenon on the end here so I can just temporarily place it in a chuck so I can sort out the mortise, and then I can flip it around, and whilst it's in the chuck I can make the dome out of the top. Easy. What I really need is some new carbide things, because I made this years ago and it's had its days. We got it turned around. Let's go do things. It's not my favourite noise. Noisy sounding lathe, isn't it? Okay, gonna give it a little blast of True Grit just to polish up the end of it. Then we'll use True Grit's twin brother, the Superfine. give that a bit of a going over, then we can flip it round. Shiny. True Grit Superfine. This is the white goop, as you can see. Don't need to go mad, I'm not doing a big area. Well, I think you chaps at True Grit know what you're doing. I'll give you that much. And thank you. It's very glossy. Here we are, we're back again. We're going to round it over to a dome shape. Righto, let's do a little bit of sanding. We've done a bit of sanding. I've gone up to 600 grit and run out of go. So let's just wipe off the excess with a bit of alcohol. Bootleg. Cool. Well, that looks halfway promising. Let's have a go with some True Grit. Righto, here we go again. True Grit abrasive paste. Let's see what sort of difference it makes to something finished off with 600 grit paper. I'm expecting miracles. Always. Wow. Ain't too bad, but I can see sanding marks underneath the nice shiny bits, so I might have to sand that back to probably 1000, I would imagine. Okay, let's clean it off and do that. I'll be back in a minute. Righto, True Grit's little brother, Superfine. Phooey, that looks alright. Nice one. Righto, let's knock up a little bit of Gorilla Glue to stick my hydrangea to my light base. This will be a light base that I got from a Chinese website. I know, don't talk about Chinese, but you know, it does what it's supposed to do. It doesn't cost the earth. And some people have got some catching up to do. Well, it's pretty close.